We are very strong believers and proponents of Dash. We think Dash is a really important piece of the puzzle. It's still a piece of the puzzle, but a very important piece. And one of the biggest challenges for content to come online, like if you really believe that TV should be available on any device and movie libraries should be available on any device, if there isn't a common file format, it's incredibly expensive to make that happen. So Dash as a common file format is a very important piece of this puzzle. Obviously, as I said before, publishing is still, it's a piece of it, right? So in addition to supporting Dash, we're not only looking at how we support that format in our clients, but how we support it with content protection and how we support it with advertising and how we support it with analytics. Because again, at the end of the day, you're talking about media businesses, not just technology companies that need kind of pieces of technology. So we're excited about Dash. I think hopefully we will get to a point in the next couple of years where there is a kind of common file format, and you'll see content kind of flow more easily online. But it's going to be not only because of the format, but also because people can make money when that content is in front of a viewer.
And next with the Flash ecosystem, how is that developing? Where might that be going?
Yep. So we are continue to support Flash. I mean, Flash is the predominant way that people watch video content online today, and we really don't see that changing. Some recent developments along Flash. So Microsoft is actually supporting Flash natively as part of IE10. So it's not even a plugin in IE anymore. It's actually natively part of the browser. That already is true for Chrome. So Flash will continue to have the broadest reach of certainly any video engine in the case of video on the web. However, we want to give customers options when it comes to building applications. One of those options is using AIR, and in the case of NBC Sports, they very successfully used AIR as a mobile application framework for the Olympics. So both the iOS and Android experiences were completely driven by AIR and with resounding success. But we also have customers that want to build native experiences or use HTML as their UI. And we also support that from an application development standpoint. And we have video player SDKs that can actually be used within native and HTML environments. So it basically gives you the best of both worlds, if you will, that you can continue to have a consistent video experience, consistent video analytics, video publishing, advertising, all those things that you need across devices, but have flexibility in terms of the UI choices that you're making. So we're firmly supporting Flash. We're also very much as a company invested in HTML, not only from a video perspective, but also through tooling like Edge, which is Adobe's new tooling to create HTML experiences, and also PhoneGap, which was used by the BBC for their mobile applications for the Olympics.
What is PhoneGap? Could you explain that?
PhoneGap basically enables you to create HTML applications across devices, right? So you can think of it as kind of, in some ways, the HTML equivalent to AIR, if you will, where instead of having to write a native app for each platform, you can write an HTML experience that's more usable across different devices. But the UI is all HTML.